Namaste everyone. If you are suffering with any elbow related health issue like tennis elbow or any kind of pain in your elbow, which can be right elbow or left elbow, then this video is for you. So in this video I'm going to tell you one acupressure point which miraculously work to reduce the pain. If you're having a tennis elbow, try to do this therapy for 15 to 20 days in order to see permanent results. So let me give you the point, which is this point to take care of your elbow pain. If you're having any tennis elbow pain, then I would suggest to do this therapy where you need to take your hand. So if you're a male, take your left hand. If you're a female, take your right hand. If you have a time to do on both the hands or the problem is chronic, then I will suggest to do on both the hands. So on my left hand, I have already marked the point. So you see, my left hand index finger middle joint I have already marked. So this upper part is my elbow point. So what I need to do, I need to take some oil, which can be mustard oil, sesame oil, any oil, and I just massage this joint nicely. Probably for 1 or 2 minutes you need to massage like this, or you can just simply massage with the help of thumb like this, or you can massage with the help of any pen. You take a pen and massage this way, this joint, you can see like this. So massage 1 to 2 minutes on this particular joint like this, and you will instantly feel relief within 2 minutes. And after this, I would suggest you to do seed therapy in the night time. So when you're sleeping on this particular joint, I want you to put some seeds. So I have taken fenugreek seeds on a paper tape. This is a paper tape, and you need to stick some fenugreek seeds and then cover this joint nicely. Like this, you need to cover this joint with the fenugreek seeds in the night. Why I said this therapy to do in the night? Because in the night, if you do seed therapy, the seed will stick at the right place, because in the daytime it is difficult to keep this tape on the hand, and in the night you can wrap it around on your finger and the seeds will not be displaced. So do this therapy in the night. In the morning you just take this tape out slowly, and you can just discard this completely. Do not reuse these seeds. So do this seed therapy on this particular joint. And if your problem is chronic, I will suggest you do on both the joint, this finger middle joint, this finger middle joint, massage 2 to 3 minutes with the help of oil, and in the night you can put the seed. If you don't have fenugreek seeds, you can use any other seeds to put the pressure on this particular area. So do this therapy in the night every day, and if you get relief in your shoulder pain, I want you to put a comment in the comment box with your benefits to motivate others to try this therapy. And if you are looking for any personal consultation session, then do find the details in the description. And if you're looking for any course in face yoga therapy, mudra therapy, basic acupressure therapy, where I teach all these points for the shoulder, for your elbow, for your wrist, for your back pain, sciatica pain. So do find the details of my 3 days basic acupressure course in this video description. So that's it for now. Thank you everyone.